If I could be on today I'm making a video, but you're wondering how I'm in the jailbreak map, but in Roblox you wonder what I just used this model? No, I did not. Guys, look, let me show you.
She's busy.
And you let me go to my other thing. Look,
Busy right now.
you type of jailbreak. You see this model. It only just give you the prison. It only just give you a prison. It's pretty big. You say I want to just go there, huh? Well, think again. Wait. They have a little update to it. What the heck is that? What is that? Okay. Under that. But, well, no. Think again. I got the whole entire map. Even the land. Even plus, if you want the whole entire map, you can literally just go right here, but you won't have the grass. You will have it. Oops, right, you won't have the grass. See the grass.
Lay down.
Let me prove it. Look, no land. So do that. Okay. So if you want this map for free, no doubts at all you have to do is go to your Google and go to this link. We'll be link in the description. Download it and click open thing, but don't click that. And then you go here to Roblox Studio and move this over here. And then you got anything you want. Anything. And yeah. Look. I'm doing the jailbreak map. Oh.
Get up there.
I'm doing the jailbreak map.
Now lay down.
I'm doing the jailbreak map.
I'll shut it off. You lay down. No, stop. I'm trying to take my shoes off.
All fixed. And, right. Yeah, that's how you do this video. Bye.